one of the main reasons I regret that I don't live in London anymore is I don't have access to the Orange Buffalo. The Orange Buffalo have the best buffalo wings on the planet, and I love chicken wings. See, the original ones are pretty mild. The Woof Woof ones are okay, hot, they'll keep you working. The Vincent van Gogh is quite a pun, not my thing. This is a no-no. The Viper Super Hot is not made for humans. This is made for pranks, stag do's, but not for humans. They do a little bit of a trick, snake in a basket, all of them originals or any other flavor that you like, and one Viper. You do not want to eat this. You will feel like you need the ambulance. This is not a joke. Do not try the Viper unless, and because I love this place too much, I'm going to go for the Woof Woof Hot ones. Nice and average, nicely entertained. Thank you very much. Always a sad moment when I'm out of wings. There's too many wings out there, not enough money for it. Alright, so I'm here in London. I'm here to help my friend Joe with his event, and his event is called Bob, is short for Best of Britain. So it's all about products that are made by people trying to just get into the market with some really cool stuff, all made in Britain. See, you notice this funny joke? Instead of Brexit, it's Brentrance, just over there, and you can see Bob and Bob. I'm gonna see if I can find Joe, which is right here. This is Joe Pigeon.
How are you doing?
I'm good, Joe.
Good, yes.
I'm just, what is this? What's going on?
It's the showcase of the best British made products available on the market today. October every year we celebrate Buy British Day as a part of it, and yeah, it's basically a showcase of our online retail store, which is bestofbritannia.com.
Alright man, thanks a lot.
Respect.
I'll see you around.
See you later.
Here is Justin.
Hey,
Justin is a product designer doing this sort of stuff.
Well, we make them all our plywood here in Canterbury and in the UK. Try and make them ourselves. The big lights you see are bespoke one-offs.
Okay, and one of the coolest bikes that I have ever known is a British-made Pashley. Fran, hi, over here, is behind us, as well as Stephen, Rob, Kate. So these guys are trying to bring Pashley back. Pashley has been there since 1926. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And they're just trying to bring it back to the market with all the new China-made bikes and all the stuff that have been overtaking the market with really, really cheap frames and whatnot. Pashley will last you. I mean, okay, this is not a paid-for advertisement. It is not an endorsement of any sort. But I'm quite like, I've always looked at Pashley as pretty cool bikes. And what about this Molten bike? What's so special about this bike?
The Molten bike was developed initially in the 1960s, and you've got suspension front and rear, so you get this amazing magic carpet ride. It is very light. I mean, this one here we're about 10 kilos.
All right, thanks a lot, Fran.
No problem.
Cheers.
Pleasure.
Keeping the cycling theme, there is a guy, he's had it with either having to choose either cycling jerseys or going out. Russell here, Russ, that is making his own super fancy colorful cycling jerseys, bringing the whole style back into cycling.
Made in England, everything is made in England, which is brilliant. About 6 years ago, and the idea was to make killer cycle kit, but with like a street fashion edge to it. So people tell me that's what we're doing, stuff that you can wear on your bike and then you're happy to wear it in a club afterwards.
What's the coolest looking jersey you got?
I'm going to show you. It's my favourite one at the moment.
Sweet. All right, thanks a lot, Russ.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Cheers, man. I have come across something really, really cool. These guys here, they do alcohol spirits from
Sweet potatoes.
sweet potatoes. And guess what's it called?
This is called the Sweet Potato Spirits Company. This is sweet potato vodka, sweet potato gin, sweet potato rum. We have some liqueurs as well.
Oh.
You can make some amazing cocktails with this. So today, our company is based up in the Cotswolds, where we have this lovely lavender in the fields. So we're making a nice lavender gin and tonic with our sweet potato lavender.
Can't tell the straw on the lavender.
She doesn't like people using straws.
Yikes. Really cool. This is not a paid for endorsement. I'm just liking this.
We have batch 1, batch number 1, so we go as high as maybe batch number 10, so we are really new. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram. Stay in touch. Sweet potato.
Thanks a lot, Jim. So he said you could just take it off the shelf.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye.
Come back! Come back!